So they're using a different driver. There's actually some writing on there. It says 4 on 1 watt. Not even 2 watts. I can see it. It just looks horrible. So yep, these are a scam. I want to show you the driver. Just a few minutes. They use the exact same driver. They just have a writing on it. Now I know the wattage. It's very horrible for that. I fucking hate these. They're beyond horrible. Just look at that. Very, 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 very bad quality. All Kinyo speakers are probably horrible. Even the biggest sound systems they made. Yep, same identical drivers. They're actually 2 watts, but they're still very bad. Look at that. 4 on 2 watt. Beyond horrible. I've had better 0.5 watt speakers. Actually, one of my 0.2 watt speakers sound better than these. Yep. I'm gonna test this. Thanks for watching.